Welcome to Auto Express Review. Today's video is all about a monster redefined, the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor. This isn't just a pickup truck, it's a powerhouse on four wheels, purpose-built for the wild, the tough, and the thrilling. The 2025 Ranger Raptor has returned, meaner, bolder, and more unstoppable than ever. Ford hasn't just updated the design, they've unleashed an entirely new level of engineering finesse and raw aggression. This truck was made to conquer the harshest terrains and dominate any road it touches. With this new generation, Ford has aimed to make the Ranger Raptor more than a mid-sized truck. It's a statement, and it delivers that statement with every inch of its intimidating presence. The first thing you'll notice is its wide and aggressive stance. The redesigned front end features C-clamp LED headlights, a new mesh grille with Ford stamped boldly across it, and a sculpted hood that gives off serious Predator vibes. The front bumper has been completely reworked to allow better clearance and approach angles for off-roading. Along the sides, you'll see massive 33-inch all-terrain tires, pronounced wheel arches, and rugged rock sliders that don't just look good, they're built for function. The rear end is equally aggressive, with LED taillights, a quad-tip exhaust setup, and a new tailgate design that reinforces the Raptor's muscular image. It's not just a truck, it's an attention magnet wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 Ranger Raptor comes packed with serious heat. We're talking about a 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 EcoBoost engine that churns out an incredible 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. That's a huge leap in performance, and it puts the Ranger Raptor in a league of its own in the mid-size segment. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth, precise shifts, whether you're tackling trails or burning rubber on the tarmac. The sound alone is worth the price. Deep, throaty, and wild. Add to that the advanced four-wheel drive system and front and rear locking differentials, and you've got a vehicle that feels right at home in the desert, mud, mountains, or highway. One of the Raptor's most game-changing upgrades is the Fox Live Valve shocks. These are no ordinary dampers. They're electronically controlled and adjust in real time depending on terrain, speed, and driving mode. Whether you're rock crawling at 5 miles per hour or flying across a sand dune at 70, the system adapts immediately to give you comfort and control. Combined with the new Watts-Link rear suspension, this Raptor isn't just tough, it's smart tough. Step inside and the rugged exterior gives way to an unexpectedly refined cabin. You're greeted by sport-bolstered seats stitched with Raptor badging and suede inserts to keep you planted during aggressive driving. The dash is dominated by a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen loaded with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ford has even included over-the-air update capability, keeping your truck smarter over time. Add to that ambient lighting, a premium B&O sound system, and multi-zone climate control, and you've got a cabin as capable and comfortable as the vehicle's performance. The 2025 Ranger Raptor comes with 7 terrain management modes, including Normal, for everyday driving, Sport, for more responsive performance, Slippery, for wet conditions, Rock Crawl, for extreme terrain, Sand, for beach or desert rides, Mud Ruts, for heavy off-road tracks, Baja mode, for high-speed off-road racing. With just a flick of the dial, the truck transforms its personality to match your environment and mood. It's like having multiple vehicles in one brutal machine. Let's not forget, this is still a Ranger. So, while it's wild at heart, it's also surprisingly practical. The bed is reinforced with multiple tie-down points and optional in-bed power outlets. Towing capacity is solid, and the payload numbers are equally impressive, making it just as functional for work as it is for play. Even fuel efficiency, while not its strongest point, is commendable for a truck this powerful, thanks to the smart EcoBoost engine and improved aerodynamics. The Raptor isn't just about brute force, it also comes with a full suite of safety features. Think adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and a 360-degree camera system that's perfect for tight trails or crowded parking lots. Combine that with trail control, off-road cruise control, hill descent assist, and trailer sway control, and you've got a truck that looks out for you while you chase the edge. If you're looking for a pickup that's equal parts ferocity and finesse, the 2025 Ranger Raptor is the one to beat. It's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation. Ford has redefined what a mid-size truck can be, and the Raptor proves that bold, bad, and brutal can also be beautiful, smart, and surprisingly refined. This truck is not just a ride, it's an experience, one that makes you feel alive, powerful, and limitless. Ford is rumored to be working on an all-electric Ranger Raptor EV prototype. According to leaks, this future-ready beast could feature dual motors, instant torque delivery, and smart off-road AI, allowing the truck to automatically adjust suspension, steering, and throttle in real time based on terrain sensors. It could be